sun is always hot out here, but you can feel the wind in your bones. Blue eyes, perfect teeth, yeah, I don't think I'm cut out for this, I know. The life's too fast for me, I don't know what I'm chasing. I remember thinking I was gonna make it and just be someone, be someone. You ask me why, oh why I let my dreams die in the cold city lights. Oh why I sold my soul for a little while so I could be someone. Fake a little smile so I could be someone. Tell a little lie so I could be someone. It's always too loud for me, I can't even hear us talking. Everybody's rushing, everybody's trying to get to somewhere. It's dangerous to think that I belong in such a place, yeah, I don't. The life's too fast for me, I don't even know what I'm chasing. Remember them saying I was gonna make it and just be someone, be someone. You ask me why, oh why I let my dreams die in the cold city lights. Oh why I sold my soul for a little while so I could be someone. Fake a little smile so I could be someone. Tell a little lie so I could be someone. Tell a little lie so I, yeah. You ask me why, oh why I let my dreams die in the cold city lights. Oh why I sold my soul for a little while so I could be someone. Fake a little smile so I could be someone. Tell a little lie so I could be someone. Rainy days, pull the blankets in, I see your face. Lashes longer than mine, miles ahead. Clever just like your old man. I wouldn't change a thing, no I wouldn't change a thing, though I sometimes can't comprehend your vibe. I wouldn't change a thing. I love this life better when you're in it. Love this life even with the limits. Perfect life, not a thing to worry about. Even at our worst, we'll make it sacrifice your dreams for mine, chasing some type of high, but now I'm letting it all go, and it won't change a thing. No, I'll still cling on to you like I'm just a little girl. Oh, I wouldn't change a thing. I love this life better when you're in it. Love this life even with the limits. Perfect life, not a thing. But now I see the end. You got caught just trying to be someone you're not, pretending that you care, but you care for my connections, making you acquaintances, friends in higher places. But you should ask yourself, yeah, who are you without me? You're just a blank marquee, trying to caught my sleeves, put your own POV. Your toxicity won't get the best of me. Look into the mirror, try and see it clearer. You should be reflecting on all of your decisions. You're the type of person to use up my affection, yeah. You should ask yourself, who are you without me? You're just a blank marquee, trying to caught my sleeves, put your own POV. Who are you without me? You're just a blank marquee, trying to caught my sleeves, put your own POV.
Hold on, let me tell my side. Who am I without you? I said I'm the same ass dude. You wanna call me brand new like it's all my fault, but that's what you won't do. Nah, now don't try to start me. Think I'm your John to your Paul McCartney. Call me a wall, nothing on the marquee, but we both co-headline the party. Yeah, you were right beside me. Next day try to criticize me. You used to love me, now you despise me, but at this point nothing could surprise me, I know.
Who are you without me? You're just a blank marquee, trying to caught my sleeves, put your own POV. Who are you without me? You're just a blank marquee, trying to caught my sleeves, put your own POV. Yeah. You should check yourself. You might lose what you have. Life ain't about the last, baby. Who are you without me? You're just a blank marquee, trying to caught my sleeves, put your own POV. Who are you without me? You're just a blank marquee, trying to caught my sleeves, put your own POV. Gotta be honest with you, Blank Marquee. Gotta be real with you, Blank Marquee. What did you pack with you? It happened so fast that I could not remember what I said to push you away. So now I'm just wasting away with my own vices. It's the only way that I know, 'cause I'm on my own. So I'm taking you out of my mind. I'm taking you out of my. I know that it's too much for me, losing you. The bitter taste lingers in me.
get down. You shouldn't be worrying about who to impress now. Everything's a headache and it's leaving you stressed out. You're real low, feeling like your life is a mess now. I'm probably the reason you ain't living for yourself. We found love in a place that don't sell it with no help. Give me space, no credit, I don't need it. Life goes on, oh well, my soul reflects gold. Don't try to let go, I give it easy to you with an intense flow. This is real shit, ain't nothing to mess with. I'm just trying to give you something here to connect with, and that's my duty. This is not to suit me, every day's a scene and my life's a movie. I came to be the best version of me, so everybody can see who I am really and truly.
Don't worry if I'm losing my sleep. Awake and I don't want this a thing. Oh, they don't know what it means to be a to live in a dangerous world. They ain't ready for this big youth. We come out to fight like diamonds shining in the sky. Girls like you and I, don't you know that you and I can take you high? You know that they ain't ready, know that they ain't ready for us. Oh, and if you're gonna say I'm going nowhere, just give me a second and I'll find my way to make sure I get there. 'Cause I'm not playing safe, and I don't think you have a clue what I can do. Oh, hey, love my lipstick, baby. Hey, love my knowledge, baby. Oh, I give it to it. They ain't ready for this big youth. We come out to fight like diamonds shining in the sky. Girls like you and I. Am I the problem? So immature, I can't accept goodbye. R.I.P. feelings, but there's no cure. I've tried a million times, and I heard you tearing pages from my history, ignoring all the side effects. And I heard you got a new one that looks just like me, ooh, just like me, yeah. But does she want you like I want you? Does she want you like I want you? Yeah. Does she love you like I used to? See you for the real you. Does she want you like I want you?
Don't wanna mention where it went wrong. Can never make this right. I know this tension still going strong. There's no more us or you and I. And I know you heard that I've been living good, so good without you, baby. And you know I got a new one that looks just like you, ooh, just like you. You know she wants me like you want me. You know she wants me like you want me. You know she loves me like you used to. See me and it's real too. Loves me like you, like you, like you want to.
she want you like I want you? Does she love you like I used to? See you for the real you. Does she want you like I want you? Want you like I want you. We can still make it right. Want you like I want you. Yeah, there's nothing like you and I. I know you're tearing pages from my history. I know you're tearing pages from my but you know there's nothing like you and me. I still hear your voice, see your ghost in my house, speaking softly, slowly. You live in my nightmares, my daydreams, and everywhere you calling me. Forget about you. If I could erase you from my head, then I'll forget about you. Tell me how to do it. How do I just forget about you? If I could erase you, maybe I'll replace you. Ooh, forget about you. Forget about you. I don't wanna cry for you, 'cause you don't deserve these tears. Thought that I would die for you. Blame it on my younger years. Baby, now my vision's clear. Things will never be the same. You were just a phase, my dear. You were just growing pain. You said I'll never find someone who's gonna love me like you do.